By following these tips, you can create a productive and enjoyable kitchen garden right at home. 1. Choose the right location. Ensure your kitchen garden gets plenty of sunlight at least 6 to 8 hours per day and has good drainage. 2. Select appropriate plants. Choose vegetables, herbs and fruits that grow well in your climate and are suitable for the space you have. 3. Prepare the soil. Work on improving your soil quality by adding compost or organic matter to provide essential nutrients for plant growth. 4. Planting. Follow spacing guidelines for each type of plant to ensure they have enough room to grow. Consider using raised beds or containers if space is limited. 5. Watering. Water your garden regularly, especially during dry periods, but be careful not to overwater. Water deeply at the base of plants early in the morning or late in the evening to reduce evaporation. 6. Mulching. Mulch around plants to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds and regulate soil temperature. 7. Fertilizing. Use organic fertilizers or compost to nourish your plants. Follow instructions carefully to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm plants. 8. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Use natural methods like companion planting, beneficial insects, or organic pesticides if necessary. 9. Harvesting. Harvest crops when they are ripe to encourage continuous production. Use sharp tools to avoid damaging plants. 10. Continuous care. Regularly monitor your garden for any issues and address them promptly to ensure healthy plant growth.
Sure, here are some general tips for growing plants. 1. Light ***. Most plants need light to grow. Ensure they get the right amount. Some prefer direct sunlight, while others thrive in indirect light. 2. Watering. Provide water according to the plant's needs. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering, so find the right balance. 3. Soil ***. Use well-draining soil suitable for the type of plant you are growing. Different plants have different soil requirements. 4. Temperature and humidity. Know the optimal temperature and humidity levels for your plants. This varies depending on the type of plant. 5. Fertilizing ***. Some plants benefit from regular fertilizing during their growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer appropriate for your plant species. 6. Pruning and maintenance. Regularly prune your plants to encourage healthy growth and remove dead or diseased parts. 7. Pests and diseases ***. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Act promptly if you notice any signs, as early intervention is key. 8. Support ***. Some plants may need support as they grow. Provide stakes or trellises if necessary. 9. Repotting ***. As plants grow, they may outgrow their pots. Repot them into larger containers when needed. 10. Observation ***. Pay attention to your plants. Each plant has its own personality and may respond differently to care routines. By paying attention to these tips and adjusting them based on the specific needs of your plants, you can help ensure they thrive and grow healthily.
5. Mulch. Apply mulch around plants to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 6. Fertilize. Use organic or slow-release fertilizers to provide essential nutrients to your plants. Follow instructions carefully to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm plants. 7. Prune and stake. Regularly prune plants to remove dead or diseased branches and improve air circulation. Stake tall or climbing plants to support them and prevent breakage. 8. Monitor for pests and diseases. Keep an eye on your plants for signs of pests or diseases. Early detection allows for prompt treatment, which can prevent widespread damage. 9. Harvest regularly. Harvest vegetables and fruits when they are ripe to